All right, if you're in class 10, listen up. The choices you're making this year, they are your direct ticket to the massive career revolution happening in 2026. We're talking about a future built on artificial intelligence, life-changing biotech, and electric vehicles. And this is your guide to getting right in on the action. I know, 2026 feels like it's ages away, right? But here's the thing. Your journey into these incredible fields doesn't start after college. It starts the moment you choose your subjects for class 11. Your future, it literally starts right now. The world is changing and it's changing fast. But you know what? This isn't something to be afraid of. It's a huge wave of opportunity just waiting for you. So the real question is, are you ready to ride it? Because these careers we're talking about today, they're not just jobs. They're missions to solve some of the world's biggest problems. Okay, let's dive in. Here's our game plan for today. Think of it like your personal quest map. We'll start with the big picture, then decode the most important fields. After that, I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap, and we'll do a deep dive into specific jobs. We'll even talk about the real-world challenges and finish up with an action plan you can start today. So you might be wondering, why are we so focused on the year 2026? It's because what's happening isn't just about new phones or cool gadgets. We are literally witnessing a complete rewiring of the entire global economy. And it's all being powered by smart tech and a huge global demand for a cleaner, healthier planet. Just take a look at this number. 97 million jobs. That's how many brand new jobs are expected to pop up in tech as industries all over the world shift. This isn't just a small ripple of change. It's a massive wave of opportunity, and you are in the perfect position to catch it. And to put that into perspective for you, just the AI sector alone is set to add 6 million new jobs by 2026. The biotech market, it's going to be a nearly $4 trillion industry. And the market for electric vehicles? Over $1.5 trillion. We are talking about industries that are bigger than the entire economies of many countries. So where are all these amazing jobs actually coming from? Let's break down the three giant pillars that are driving this whole revolution: artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and electric vehicles. Just think of these as the engines of the future. Now, here's what's so crucial to understand. These fields, they're not just separate things anymore. They're all starting to merge and overlap. AI is helping us discover new medicines in biotech way faster. Biotech is creating brand new sustainable materials for EVs. And EVs are becoming part of a smart energy grid that's controlled by, you guessed it, AI. The real magic is happening where these fields connect. Let's drill down into the why now part. For AI, we're talking about adding trillions to the global economy. For biotech, it's about incredible breakthroughs like CRISPR. Seriously, think of it like a biological find and replace tool for DNA that could cure diseases. And for EVs, it's the massive global push for clean energy, with the battery industry alone growing over 30% every single year. Okay, this is probably the most important part of this whole discussion. How do you, right now, get from your Class 10 classroom to an amazing high-impact career in 2026 and beyond? This is your personal step-by-step roadmap. It's time to level up.
Your first mission, and it's a big one, is choosing your stream in Class 11. It's a huge fork in the road. If you're dreaming about AI, engineering, or EV tech, you're going to want the Science A group. That's physics, chemistry, and maths, or PCM. For biotech and medical careers, your path is the Science B stream, with physics, chemistry, and biology, or PCB. But listen, here's the pro tip. If you think you can handle it, take all four with PCMB. It's tough, for sure, but it keeps every single one of these future doors wide open for you.
And guess what? You're not going on this journey alone. The entire education system is evolving right along with you. The CBSC is actually rolling out a massive AI curriculum that starts in 2026. This means for future students, by the time they hit classes 9 and 10, AI is going to be a compulsory subject. These critical skills are being built right into your education. So let's break your journey down into 4 simple stages. 1. Lock in that science stream. 2. Absolutely crush the big entrance exams. We're talking JE for the top engineering spots like IITs and NITs, or NEET for medical and biotech. 3. Get a specialized BTech or BSc degree. And 4, and this is so important, never, ever stop learning. Keep building your skills with projects and certifications. All right, now let's get into the nitty-gritty. What do these careers actually look like day to day? What kind of jobs can you really aim for? And what are the specific skills and tools you'll need to master to get there? This is your blueprint. So if AI is your thing, welcome to your future playground. As a data scientist, you could be using a language like Python to predict what customers will buy next on a site like Flipkart. As an AI product manager, you're the brains of the operation, deciding what an AI should do to solve a real problem. Or as a robotics engineer, you could literally be building the smart machines that assemble our cars or even perform surgeries. How cool is that? And for all you future biology wizards and medical pioneers, this is your arena. And it's not just about lab coats anymore. A bioinformatics expert is basically a data detective for DNA, using coding to find patterns in huge genetic datasets to help cure diseases. In the lab, you'll be using cloud software like Benchling, which is like a super smart digital notebook for all your experiments. And if you want to be part of the electric revolution, here's where you start. You'll be using some seriously powerful software to bring your ideas to life. With something like MATLAB, you can simulate how a new battery design will perform in extreme weather before you even build it. And with 3D design tools like CATIA and SolidWorks, you'll be the one actually designing the physical parts of the next big electric car or scooter.
Okay, let's get real for a minute. This all sounds amazing, right? But it's not always going to be a walk in the park. There are going to be challenges. But you know what? For every challenge, there's a hack. So let's talk about the real-world obstacles and how you can get past them. One of the biggest challenges is simply finding balance. As educator Devyani Jaipuria points out, your tech skills are absolutely vital, but they're not everything. Learning how to collaborate with a team, communicate your ideas, and think creatively, those skills are just as important as learning to code. So think of these as the boss levels you're going to have to face on your quest. The competition for the best colleges and jobs is going to be fierce. The digital divide is a real problem, and the skills you learn today could be outdated tomorrow. In fact, some estimates say that almost 40% of core tech skills could be obsolete by 2030. You have to become a lifelong learner. But for every boss level, there are power-ups, and here are your cheat codes. Don't just focus on marks. Get real-world experience through internships. You can find tons on sites like Internshala. Jump into hackathons and competitions. But most importantly, build things. Create your own maker portfolio with your own projects. That shows passion and initiative. And trust me, that's what the top companies are looking for. All right, we've covered the why and the how. Now it's time for the most important part, the what you can do right now. This is your mission briefing. Here's a simple, actionable plan you can start the second this is over. The key is to make this real and not just a dream. So here are 3 concrete steps. Today, talk to your parents, talk to your teachers, and finalize your stream. In the next 6 months, find and complete 1 free online course, and within a year, earn your first certificate or build a small project. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be a start. So look, Class 10 isn't just another school year, it's your launch pad. The future of 2026 isn't some distant thing that's just going to happen to you. It's something that you, with your brain, your ideas, and your hard work, are going to build. The mission is yours. Your journey starts now.